I want to do a follow-up video here on the portrait challenge on this sketch. Just want to make an adjustment or two. After I posted this to our Facebook group, we got a comment from somebody and realized that the picture looks a little bit crooked. Now I sketched it according to what I saw in the reference photo, but I think somehow it's not quite right. Like this picture frame is just a little crooked within the wall. So I want to make an adjustment there. And I probably should have done that back when I had this in Photoshop, but I'm going to make a slight adjustment here and just lift up the edge of this frame a little bit. And I think that's going to help. We're just going to straighten this out and just lift up the frame so it's somewhat straighter. And we'll make a slight adjustment here as well to some of these angles within the map. And I think that's a little bit better. And then I want to just bring the edge of the table down a little bit, which will give that perspective a bit of a different look, because part of the problem is, perspective dictates that when, 2 and 3 point perspective dictates that objects have a vanishing point in the distance. And so when you have lines that kind of come down where they're going to radiate up at a certain point. So we want to make sure we get this perspective correct. We just move those lines down a little bit. And let's see. You do a similar thing on the tabletop. Just bring this edge up and down a little bit. We're just going to change the angle ever so slightly. And I'm going to erase right here. And just bring that edge down a little bit. And then this angle here on the bottom has to also come down too. So if we measure this and we say the distance between these points is about 7/8. We'll just bring this down to almost an inch at the bottom here, like that. And then erase some of these lines in the middle. And that should do the trick. I think that will help just make the perspective of that frame look a little bit different. And then up here, I'll just change this angle ever so slightly too. Yeah, I think that'll help just to adjust that a little bit. There. I think that helps. So that's just a little change I wanted to make. Let's step back and take a look at it. Yeah, I like that better. I think that's much better. Let's just change this angle on the tabletop a little bit and bring this line down like that. And I think that'll finish that off. Okay, so I just want to show you this quick little change we made on the frame and the table and how they work together. And I think the perspective is going to be a little bit better now. So I hope that helps. Just want to show that to you, and be blessed as you work on your portrait. And again, I look forward to seeing your work on this challenge, so please post it. Thank you so much. God bless, and we'll see you in the next lesson. And that next lesson, by the way, will actually be putting paint to canvas. So I'm looking forward to showing you how to do that. I'll see you in the next lesson. It's going to be coming out in just a few days. All right, God bless. We'll talk to you soon.